Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Salma?
5.4 watts.
You're right.
Giving function.
You're right. KNUST Senior High School. Congratulations on winning the contest. Welcome to the National Science and Math Quiz. Today we bring you the 11th 1A stage contest of the 2016 edition of the National Science and Math Quiz. The contest is featuring Accra Academy, Techiman Senior High School, and Awudome Senior High School. Techiman Senior High School. You are welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Techiman Senior High School is represented by
Isaac Adene to Fanaye.
Ajanyo Alvin, final year.
How are you doing today?
Very
Fine,
good.
thank you.
Great. So please tell us a little. Have you been coming to the National Science and Math Quiz?
Yes.
All right, your history.
Techiman Senior High School is a mid school located in Techiman in the Brownsville region.
Did you come last year?
Last year we went here.
But this year?
This year we are here to win.
All right. Thank you for declaring your intentions. I wish you the best.
Thank you.
Next, Awudome Senior High School. Awudome Senior High School is represented by
Kumi Kwekwe, Mr. Felix, final year.
Techiman wise, good luck. Final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Were you here last year?
No.
You were not here last year?
Yes, please.
Uh-huh.
Last 2 years.
You were here 2 years ago, all right. So you missed out last year.
Yeah.
And this year you've already been in the prelims.
Yes, please.
Okay. What are your intentions for today?
Well, our hope is in the Lord who has our victory already secured.
All right. Best wishes to you.
Thank you.
Finally, Accra Academy. Accra Academy is represented by
Benjamin Botesangu, final year.
Dodu Joseph, final year.
You are welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
All right. I know you came here with your people. They have already been making a lot of noise. Including something that they say all the time. I think they explained to me some time ago, but I've forgotten. What does it mean? That blow, blow, blow. What is that?
You should just be calm.
Be calm?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are calm?
Yes.
All right. Now, you went all the way to the semi-finals last year.
Yes, please.
Okay, tell us more.
We came here last year and we went through the 1A stage, through the quarterfinal, and to the semi-final where we were beaten by Prempeh College.
All right, what are your intentions for today?
Our intentions are that we are here to grab the substance and leave the shadows of our past.
Best wishes.
Thank you, madam.
Our contestants are ready. We are all leaving the past behind us, and we shall see what we have in the future. For now, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is brought to you by Primetime Limited and is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We are also sponsored by RMG Ghana Limited, and I am grateful to GTP for my outfit. Thank you. My name is Dr. Elsie Efa Kaufman. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, University of Ghana. I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. Simple, direct questions requiring simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If it's incorrectly answered, it becomes available for the 2 other schools to ring for. Once a school rings and answers correctly, a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect at that stage, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which you can present an answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have 10 seconds to do so. All questions, all of them, are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with you, Techiman, Senior High School. Your question. What is the difference between hard water and heavy water? Yes, Alvin.
Hard water is a type of water which contains ions such as Fe2+ and Ca2+, which enables it not to lather with soap. But heavy water is water which has D2O, that's deuterium hydrogen, substituted for the protein.
Okay, I'll give that to you. Accra Academy. What is the difference between water with temporary hardness and water with permanent hardness? The chemical composition is not required in this answer. Yes, Dodu.
Say, madam. Temporary hardness can be removed by boiling, but permanent hardness cannot be removed by boiling.
Yes. Awudome, give any 2 impurities of rainwater that may have been collected directly into a clean tank in Ghana, and then give the source of the impurity. Yes, Wise.
We have the CO2, or the carbon dioxide gas, and its source is from the atmosphere or in the air. We have the ions, they are also in the air. There is the ions from the rocks, the minerals in the rocks of the minerals in the rocks.
I'm giving you 2 out of 3. Yes, CO2, and it comes from the atmosphere, as you rightly said. The second one could have been ammonium nitrate. The source would have been what is formed through lightning during rainstorms, right? So NO2 and NH3 formed by lightning. And then the last one could have been SO2, and the source is burning of waste materials. Techiman, an object is launched vertically upward with speed 15 meters per second. Find the height it attains in 1 second. Yes, Alvin.
20 meters.
That's incorrect for bonus. Which of you? Kumi?
125 meters.
No. The right answer is 10 meters. Accra Academy. An object is released from a height of 100 meters. How long into its downward flight does it attain a speed of 20 meters per second? Yes, Dodu.
10 seconds.
No, that's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 2 seconds. Awudome. An object is launched upward with a speed of 40 meters per second. Find the speed it attains in 2 seconds. Yes, Kumi?
20 meters per second.
You're right. The next one is a question to all 3 schools at the same time. When I get to your school, please give me a right answer so that I can move on for the next right answer. No bonus, please. This is the question. Name one, only one, of the 4 taste sensations that humans can distinguish. First choice, Techiman. Yes, Alvin.
Sweet.
Yes. Accra Academy. Yes, Dodu.
Sir.
Yes. Awudome. Yes, Kumi.
Bitter.
Yes, bitter. Find the radius of the circle. That's the preamble. Techiman. We center at the point with coordinates 5, 12, and touching the x-axis. Yes, Alvin?
2 units.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 12. 12 units. Accra Academy with the same preamble. We center at the point with coordinates -12, -5, and touching the y-axis. Yes, Dodu?
12 units.
Yes. Awudome with the same preamble. We center at the point with coordinates 12, -5, and passing through the origin. Yes, Kumi?
30 meters. 13 units.
Are you changing your mind? I'm giving you 2 out of 3. It's simply 13. I didn't attach any units to this. Silicon 4 chloride hydrolyzes in water to give silicon oxide and hydrogen chloride. Please give me a balanced equation for the reaction. Yes, Alvin?
2 moles of H2O plus SiCl4 to give SiO2 plus 4 moles of HCl.
You're right. The oxobromide of carbon, that is COBr2, is formed by addition of concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid to tetrabromomethane. The other products of the reaction being sulfur 6 oxide and HBr. Give me a balanced equation for the reaction.
Madam, H2SO4. 2H2SO4 plus CBr4, giving COBr2 plus SO3 plus 2HBr.
No, for bonus. You had a 2 in a wrong place. It's CBr4 plus H2SO4. One H2SO4, not 2. Going to 2HBr plus SO3 plus COBr2. Silicon is attacked by hot caustic soda in the presence of water molecules to give sodium trioxosilicate 4 and hydrogen gas. Please give me a balanced equation for the reaction. Yes, Kumi?
Si, 1 mole of Si plus CaOH subscript 2, giving you CaSiO2 plus H2.
That's incorrect. For bonus. All right. The right answer. Si plus 2NaOH plus H2O going to Na2SiO3 plus 2H2. Town A is 10 kilometers west of Town O, whereas Town B is 8 kilometers east of Town O. That's the preamble. I hope you got it. All right. Techiman, what is the position of Town B relative to A? Yes, Alvin?
180 degrees east.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 18 kilometers east. Nafisa is traveling from Town A to Town O. What is her displacement from Town B when she is halfway to her destination? Dodu.
30 meters due east.
That's incorrect for bonus. The right answer is 13 kilometers west. And Nafisa was not traveling below. Awudome, with the same preamble. A hamlet is located 6 kilometers from Town A, along the line of sight of Town O from A. What is the position of the hamlet relative to Town O? Wise?
4 kilometers due west.
Yes. Describe the following classes of segmented worms with respect to Chaeta and Parapodia. I hope you got the preamble. All right. So now, Techiman, Polychaeta. Yes, Alvin.
They have many Chaeta and Parapodia.
Yes. Accra Academy with the same preamble. Oligochaeta. Yes, Dodu.
They have few Chaeta and no Parapodia.
Yes. Awudome. Hirudinea. Yes, Kumi.
They have no Chaeta and no Parapodia.
Pardon?
No Chaeta, no Parapodia.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round, 30 seconds with a short preamble. Express as a decimal number. That's a preamble. Techiman, 452 base 7. Yes, Alvin?
233 base 10.
Yes. Accra Academy with the same preamble. 452 base 8. Yes, Dodu?
298 base 10.
Yes. Awudome with the same preamble. 452 base 6. Yes, Kumi?
176 base 10.
Yes. And that's the end of the first round.
Welcome to the good life of agriculture with RMG Ghana Limited. Experience our quality crop protection products, seeds, fertilizers, irrigation equipment, and technical expertise to increase your yield. RMG Ghana Limited, agriculture on a sustainable basis.
At the end of the first round, Techiman Senior High School has 15 points. Accra Academy has 15 points. Awudome Senior High School has 18 points. We have a close contest on our hands. Round 2. This is a round which is also known as the speed race. Questions are thrown to all 3 schools at once. In order to have an opportunity to answer a question, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Techiman? Thank you. Yours, Awudome. Thank you. And yours, Accra Academy. All right. If you ring an answer on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. And on the third attempt, 1 point. That is if the answer is right. For questions that require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present an answer. If there are no calculations, you have a maximum of 10 seconds. Best wishes to all 3 schools. Who was the first to discover oxygen? Yes, Awudome.
Cavendish.
No. Who was next? Yes, Techiman Alvin.
Joseph Priestley.
No. Accra Academy. No answer is forthcoming. The right answer is Shield. Who prepared oxygen for the first time? Dodu.
Joseph Priestley.
You're right. Oxygen can also be prepared in the laboratory by heating solid KMnO4. Apart from K2MnO4, what other byproduct is formed? Yes, Alvin?
Manganese oxide.
Yes. Next question, 30 seconds. Convert 75 degrees to radian measure. Yes, Dodu?
5 pi over 12 radian.
Yes. 275 squared minus 225 squared. Yes, Sango?
25,000.
Yes. Solve the quadratic inequality. The expression x minus 3 multiplied by the expression x plus 2 is less than 0. Yes, Sango.
-2 less than x less than 3.
Go on.
-2 less than x less than 3.
Yes. What name is given to all the different molecular forms of the same gene? Yes, Alvin.
Of the same gene. Canonical hybrid.
No.
Isomers. Isomers.
No. Yes, Dodu.
Genome.
No. Allele. Allele. What name is given to the particular genes in an individual, genes that an individual carries? Yes, which of you? Kumi. Okay, I'm moving. Who next? Yes, Alvin.
The genome.
No. Dodu.
The genotype.
Yes. What name is given to the experimental crosses? Yes, Wise.
Test cross.
No. Alvin.
Backcross.
No. You didn't ring. Okay. Between 2 parents that are homozygous for different versions of a single trait. Yes, Dodu?
Monohybrid test cross.
Yes. How is the Kelvin, the SI unit of thermodynamic temperature, defined? Which of you? Dinah.
216.0 Kelvin.
That's incorrect. The Kelvin is the fraction 1 over 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. That's a definition. Okay. How long does a particle projected vertically upward from the ground with speed 20 meters per second remain airborne? Yes, Kumi.
2 seconds.
No. Yes, Sango.
4 seconds.
You're right. Last question for the round. 30 seconds. A 2-kilogram object is dropped onto a floor from a height of 5 meters. Find its kinetic energy when it hits the floor. Yes, Wise.
10 joules.
That's incorrect. Alvin.
100 joules.
You're right. That's the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, Awudome Senior High School has 18 points. Techiman Senior High School has 20 points. Accra Academy has 31 points. Round 3. This round has our problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes to compose an answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Now, let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. The roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 are alpha and beta. A, evaluate 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta and 1 over alpha beta. B, hence find the quadratic equation with roots 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and present your answers. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the boards. The contestants have presented their work. Before we award the marks, let's look at the suggested solution from our consultants. This is a problem in mathematics involving quadratic equations. In fact, we've been given a quadratic equation, x squared minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, and we've been told that the roots of this quadratic equation are alpha and beta. Now, based on this, we are to evaluate first 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, and then evaluate 1 over alpha beta. The first step is to look at this quadratic equation carefully and recognize certain things, because you can detect what the roots are from inspection of the equation. So the sum of the roots from inspection, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to 5, and the product of the roots, alpha beta, is equal to 3. That's just from inspection, 1 point each. So now if we are to calculate 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, we can change this into a form that can be easily done using what we have. So we have beta plus alpha all over alpha beta, which is equal to 5 over 3. 2 marks for this. We simply substituted what we know about alpha and beta. All right. Now for 1 over alpha beta, this is equal to 1/3. We simply substituted. Very simple. Again, 2 marks. That is the first part of this problem, part A. The second part says find the quadratic equation with roots 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Now, again, we look at our knowledge of quadratic equations and their roots, and so we can see that the sum of the roots will be 5 over 3, and the product of the roots will be 1 over 3. 2 marks for recognizing this. So we can simply substitute this or use this information to formulate a quadratic equation. We will get x squared minus 5 over 3 multiplied by x plus 1/3 is equal to 0. By the way, for recognizing the roots previously, 2 points. And now we write it in a form that we all recognize as a quadratic equation, and that would be 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 more points, giving a total of 10 points. This is the suggested solution from our consultants. Contestants. Today was going to be a happy day for me until Techiman decided to spoil my day. It's unbelievable. There were 4 B's to this problem. Completely disorganized. For solving a math problem, you need to be systematic and have a clear logical mind, right? So the answers are there, but they are all mixed up in there somewhere. I'm going to penalize you 3 points. Yes. That gives you 7 out of 10. For being disorganized and trying to confuse me. With regard to Accra Academy and Awudome Senior High School, no problem with our problem of the day. I am happy to award perfect scores. Well done. That's the end of the problem of the day and the end of round 3. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to present each school with statements. When you receive your statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. When a school ranks and answers correctly, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect or not forthcoming, it fetches the penalty point. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm starting with you, Accra Academy. Food can travel up the stem in the phloem. Yes, Dodu.
False.
No, that's a true statement. Awudome. Food can travel up or down the stem in the phloem. Yes, Kumi.
It's true.
Yes. Food can travel up or down the stem in the xylem.
False.
Yes.
It's
Alvin.
false.
You're right. X plus 2 is a factor of x squared minus 4. Yes, Sango.
True.
Yes. X minus 1 is a factor of x cubed plus 6x minus 7. Yes, Wise.
It's true.
Yes. Techiman, x minus 2 is a factor of x squared plus 4. Alvin.
It's false.
You're right. The magnitude of the electric field inside a uniformly charged sphere is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from the center of the sphere. Yes, Dodu?
False.
You're right. The magnitude of the electric field inside a uniformly charged sphere is constant. Kumi?
It's true.
No, that's a false statement. The electric field inside a uniformly charged sphere is directed radially. Alvin?
It's true.
Yes. NO2 gas will decolorize acidified KMNO4 solution when the gases bubble through the solution. Dodu?
False.
No. When H2S is bubbled through acidified solution of KMNO4, the purple color of the KMNO4 will be discharged. Yes, Kumi?
It's true.
Yes. To perform a brown ring test to confirm trioxonitrate 5 ion, FeSO4 solution and concentrated H2SO4 are required. Yes, Alvin?
It's true.
Yes. A contagious disease is one which is spread by contaminated food. Yes, Dodu?
False.
You're right. A contagious disease is one which is spread by contaminated drinking water. Yes, Kumi?
It's false.
Yes. A contagious disease is one which is spread by contact with an infected person. Yes, Alvin?
It's true.
Yes. An equiangular rhombus is a square. Dodu?
True.
Yes. An equiangular pentagon is regular. Yes, Wise?
It's false.
Oh. That's a true statement. An equilateral quadrilateral is a square. Yes, Alvin?
It's false.
You're right. The net force on an object sliding down an inclined plane equals the weight of the object. Yes, Dodu?
False.
You're right. The normal reaction on an object at rest on an inclined plane equals the weight of the object. Yes, Kumi?
It's false.
You're right. The component down the plane of the net force on an object sliding down an inclined plane equals the component of the normal reaction down the plane. Alvin?
It's true.
Oh, no. That's a false statement. CO2 gas can be collected in a gas jar by upward displacement of air. Yes, Ango?
True.
Yes. When HCl gas is prepared by adding concentrated H2SO4 to hot sodium chloride solution, the gas formed may be bubbled through concentrated H2SO4 to remove any chlorine gas that may have been formed. Yes, Kumi?
It's true.
No. It is passed through concentrated H2SO4 to dry the gas or to remove H2O. That's why. Techiman. Nitrogen gas prepared in the laboratory is best collected by displacement of water in a gas jar. Yes, Awudome.
It's false.
No. That's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the fourth round, Awudome Senior High School has 34 points. Techiman Senior High School has 38 points. Accra Academy has 51 points. Round 5. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddles. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you need to draw my attention. May I hear your bell, Techiman? Thank you. Yours, Awudome. Thank you. And yours, Accra Academy. Thank you. When you ring, the answer must be ready. Best wishes to all schools. First riddle. We are ectothermic tetrapod vertebrates. We inhabit a wide variety of habitats. We use our skin as a secondary respiratory surface. Yes, Alvin?
Amphibians.
Yes. That was the third clue. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a 2-digit number. My digits are identical. The sum of my digits is 18. Yes, Sango.
99.
Yes. That was the third clue, 3 points. You cannot touch me with your bare fingers, whether I am in my natural state or in an aqueous solution. As a solid, I am highly hygroscopic. I am usually prepared in Ghana and elsewhere in West Africa in semi-large quantities using not so sophisticated setups. In other parts of the world, I am produced by electrolysis. Yes, Kumi?
Sodium hydroxide.
No. Alvin?
Potassium hydroxide.
Yes. That was the fourth clue. 3 points. Last riddle. I am a type of interaction. Because I am an inverse square law force, I am said to be long range. If I had charges as does other... Who rang? Yes, go ahead, Kumi.
Electrostatic force.
No. Alvin.
Newton's law of universal gravitation.
No. For you, I am continuing. If I had charge as does that other long-range force, they would all have only one sign. I am always attractive. So who am I? Anyone? Anyone? Oh, I am a type of interaction. Gravitational interaction. That's the end of the fifth round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Awudome Senior High School has 34 points. Techiman Senior High School has 44 points. Accra Academy has 54 points. Awudome Senior High School, thank you for being here. All the best. Techiman Senior High School, thank you for being here and for giving us a good contest. You did well. Unfortunately, today was not to be. Best wishes to you. Accra Academy. Congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. Prepare, and I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. Viewers, we are still in the 1A stage of competition. Next time, we'll bring you St. Peter's Senior High School, Krobo Girls Senior High School from Krobo, Odumase, and SDA Senior High School, Bekwai. I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is brought to you by Prime Time Limited. We are sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. And we are also sponsored by RMG Ghana Limited. Thank you, GTP, for the outfit. And thank you all for joining us for this contest. See you next time. Bye.